We will talk now about the India and international economics. So let us talk about the status of India and its role in the international economics and its role in WTO and different trading blocs. So India is reasonably active in WTO and regional economic cooperation. Reasonably active. Recently, it opted out of regional comprehensive economic partnership for two major reasons. Because India saw lack of advantages, economic advantages, and the another reason was the dominance of China. So I can tell you that even if India would not have opted out of RCEP, given the present conditions between India and China, it would have opted out in any case, even later, out of this agreement because the current situation is even more explosive between India and China, and it is very difficult that India would have remained with RCEP, which is a very big trading bloc envisaged in the future. So India did not see a lot of merits. One of the reason of India opting out for RCEP and not seeing the advantage is that India wanted free movement of its people in these countries. That is the big countries like Australia, Japan, China, and South Korea, and the 10 countries of ASEAN. So India wanted that its people, its labor force should be moving freely, like it happens in India. Indian population labor force is moving into Middle Eastern countries and many other countries, and they bring a lot of remittances for India. So India would have benefited, but this RCEP draft does not provide for that leverage for India. So this was one of the major disadvantages for India. India did not see major advantages. Then, if you look at India and its role in the international economics, India is today net exporter of food grain to the world. It is very different from the situation which was there before 1991. So today India is very better placed in terms of food grains. India is a big exporter of working population around the world today. It enjoys strong soft power geopolitically due to the favorable ideology, political system, democracy, and its very big consumer market and very large middle middle class of India, which is a very big consumer of goods and services of the mass production. So India actually enjoys good soft power, very good soft power, definitely better than China. It enjoys strong position in WTO also, as has been evident from the different rounds of negotiations and discussion in WTO. India has been very active and it has been listened to very well. World economic growth very much depends on the growth of India and China. So, in today's COVID-19 pandemic, the world economic growth has slowed down, but recovery also, India and China will be major factors in time to come.